Welcome to the future of artificial grass bonding. DL Chemicals is proud to present groundbreaking products that make installation easier, faster, and more reliable than ever before. Parabond Grass is a powerful one-component adhesive for bonding and repairing artificial grass. The ready-to-use adhesive spreads very smoothly and is safe in use. Paracol Grass 2 CPU is ideal for fast and very strong bonding. Both adhesives can be used for landscaping and for sport fields. Using a joining tape allows for a better bonding. Outdoor sealing can be done with Parasilico Prestige color, available in 5 greenish colors. Scan the QR code to discover the whole range online.